That's Pomi. What she's planning? Where is she carrying this big branch? Come on. Is she planning on carrying this branch to the right way?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh no! Why are these tree branches here?
Help me!
All the cars have been taken away, but the train steer doesn't know anything. Hello, I need help.
What's the matter with you?
There is a big tree branch blocking the track.
Okay, I'm on my way. Here we go.
Thanks for helping me, excavator.
You are welcome, train.
The train continued going, but you didn't know what happened behind.
Yes!
What happened? Where are all the cars?
What's up? They are still on me. Oh my god! Did they fall somewhere?
What's up? Please tell me.
Just now, I encountered a tree branch on the tracks. Excavator, help me. Now I can no longer see my cars on me.
Let's go and find them.
Oh!
There is a camera here. Let's check with the camera.
The camera recorded the scene of Pomi kidnapping the cars.
Alright. Hey, is there anyone here?
Pomi in the cave, hear the police. It trembles with fear. She's scratching her head, shaking, because she's afraid of the police. She is digging a hole. What's she planning? She digs a hole to bury the cars that have to be kidnapped.
Have you seen the cars passing by here?
No, I didn't see anything.
Hmm?
There is no one here.
Help! Please help me!
Hey, Tommy, stop! You are arrested for kidnapping the cars.
Hello? I need your help in rescuing kidnapped cars.
All right! Help me!
Don't worry, I will save you now.
Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Help me!
How wonderful! Excavator in turn rescue all the vehicles previously buried by Pomi.
Thank you. Thanks for saving my car. Nothing. See you again.
All right!
The vehicles were rescued. Pomi has locked up in the prison. Oh, it's Pommy. What is she planning to do? Oh no, Pommy kidnapped the cars from the truck. Someone helps, please. Please, the truck steer doesn't seem to know what's going on. The cars left trace when they were pulled away by Pommy. Is it Pommy Lair, did you know? No, help me.
Help me!
Pommy captured and locked them in the lair. Will the truck come and pick them up?
Huh?
Hey!
Oh no! Where are all the cars?
Where are the cars? Where did you drop them?
I don't know. I'm not hanging out anywhere. On the way, I just stopped to wait for the train.
No way! Let's go back to the place you have been.
Alright, let's go.
There is no treat here. We need to keep looking. Wait a minute. Look at the route. These trees are the same stray left by the vehicle earlier. The tree is very suspicious. Let's follow this tree together.
Alright.
Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you!
Oh my god, this is terrible. I have to run for help immediately.
Oh, help!
Please help us. The car was kidnapped by Pommy. The truck was also kidnapped by Pommy just now.
Okay, let's go!
Alright, what are they planning? Let's see.
Okay.
Hey you! Hey you!
Don't worry. I will break down the door to save you right now.
Hooray!
The excavator successfully rescued all the cars and truck from Pommy Lair.
Help me! Help me!
Oh no, Pommy has caught up with the crane. Someone helps.
Hey!
Hey you! Get out!
Luckily, the two of you arrived in time to save the crane and chase away Pommy. Thanks, excavator. Thanks to you, the whole team was saved. Bye bye. Everyone went home.
Right.
Huh?
No. Let's play
play football.
No, no, no.
Huh?
Oh no! Oh no!
Wow!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh! Hiya! Hiya! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Huh?
Oh my gosh! Help me! Help me! Hiya! Hiya! Oh no! Hey, hey, help me!
Okay, okay. Oh my god!
Help me! Help me!
Okay. Okay. Right.
You shouldn't play dirty anymore.
Yes! Oh! Oh no!
Oh my god!
Help me! Help me! Hooray!
Right.
Help me! Oh my god! Okay, okay. Aha!
Yes!
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh no! Okay, let's go! Hey, what happened?
Okay, okay.
Thank you!
Come on!
What happened?
Okay. Hey, you! Stop!
Put your hands up in the air now! Get out of the face!
Hello!
Help! Help me!
Okay. Come on!
Okay.